Hi everyone, welcome to Utopia. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy Japanese floral arrangement in slanting style. Our materials are Plum Blossom and Chrysanthemum. Let's begin. First, put the Kenzan in the back right side just like this. Then we're going to decide on the main stem. We're going to choose a Plum Blossom for today's arrangement. For more information on the length and ratio of the main stem, you may refer to my other video on this channel where I talked about an upright style arrangement. Next, we're going to trim and insert it just like this. And slant it towards your front left side. After that's done, we'll pick another plum blossom to be the second main stem of this arrangement. Again, we're going to trim and insert it just like this. And slant it a bit towards your front left side. And finally, we're going to take a chrysanthemum and make it the third main stem. Now we're going to remove any excess leaves and flowers. And slant it towards your front right side just like this. And now you have completed the setting of the three main stems. If that's been done properly, they should create an equilateral triangle like this. Pick your favorite chrysanthemum to be the point of emphasis. Remember to show its best side towards the audience. After that, we'll add the other chrysanthemum and plum blossom to fill the Kenzan. And just like that, you've completed a floral arrangement in slanting style. If you're interested in more videos and photos of my work, please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!